The year 2025 will see students of advanced level pursue 2 principal subjects that match their career path, with general paper which will largely entail equipping them with communication and logical skills concerning their areas of interest. According to the lead researcher A-Level Needs Study at NCDC, Myers Mumanyire, the current A-Level products lack skills which match their age and the local market.
There are a number of skills which need to be reorganized within general paper.
A lot is going to be moving towards that shift of people not having too much knowledge and certificates, rather than having a set of skills.
Curriculum specialist at NCDC, Mulumba Mutema Mathias, emphasizes the need for learners to stop joining university to study what would have been studied in lower levels, which is the current trend.
The learners who have been getting out of A-level have a mismatch with the society. They cannot perform anything in society.
Stakeholders further pushed for an adjustment in the language of instruction if they are to make the revamp fruitful.
The Chinese don't teach in English, but they have been able to advance their society and change their social standards. The Japanese, they don't study in English, but they are able to make computers and phones and all these technological things.
According to the Minister of State for Primary Education, Dr. Mori Kaduchu, Uganda cannot build capacity of the people without putting solid foundation in them, and revamping the A-Level curriculum is one of the key subsets of the achievement.
And today, we call the National Development Agenda for this country puts human development capital at the forefront.
The current A-Level curriculum was instituted in 1952 by the De Bansen Committee under the leadership of the British Governor Sir Andrew Cohen, with students pursuing 4 principal subjects and general paper as a subsidiary. In 2011, NCDC made changes by reducing principal subjects to 3 and adding subsidiary math and ICT. Salma Namwanje, Adam Nwamanya, NBS, live at 9.